I have the 2022B version of MATLAB, and I want to open this Simulink file called my system, which was created using the MATLAB 2025B version. So when I click on it, this error dialog opens up telling me that the file was created using a newer version of MATLAB. So if I want to solve this problem, all I need to do is to go to Home tab, then go to Preference. After opening Preference, I then go to Simulink, then click on Open Simulink Preference, then go to Model File. If you scroll down, you will see that the Do Not Load Models created with newer version of Simulink is ticked. So you just have to untick it, then Apply. Then now if I click on the file, so as you see, it opens up with some warning. So if I click on it, it will run and I will be able to see my results. So to prevent this problem from happening in the first place, so this is a file I created using this version of MATLAB, which is 2022B version. So say I want to open it in 2018B version. All I need to do is to open the file, then go to Save, then go to Previous Version option. So I want to save it at 2028. So here is the format I want to save it into. So you have to save it in a folder that is different from the original file. So I want to save it in older, then click on Save. So this is the folder that contains the older version. So if I click on it and then click on the file, you see that it is compatible with the 2018B version. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.